Karibuni sana to Bell Dairy Farm. This is the farm edition. Now today nataka to discuss high yielders from 20 to 25 liters in a day. So I have this cow shed. Iko na wengi hapa. You can come visit one hour. Still again I have others doing from 26 to 30 the whole day. So nataka muonyeshe hiyo cow shed pia. It's on this side. So we always separate the cows depending on production. Once you come, I'll train you the essence of separating the cows depending on production. Pia nitakufunza the mix ratio of that cow shed and this cow shed. I'll also teach you on their maintenance na other basic things. So we are located in Githunguri. You can come visit us ama utupigie, namba yetu iko hapo kwa bio.